Hi, this is Dr. Fondacaro at Dr. Park Avenue, and what I'd like to talk to you about today is the treatment of excessive sweating. The medical term is axillary hyperhidrosis, axillary meaning the underarm, the armpits. There are two ways of treating it. The more common way of treating it, which is temporary at best, is injecting Botox into both underarms. And it does work pretty well. And I have some relatives who actually undergo that. They tease me about giving them some Botox, which I gladly will give them because I'm a good uncle. Anyway, it works quite well, and it should last about 4 to 6 months. Now, a more permanent treatment is now something that is being done more frequently now, and that's treatment with the laser. And as you can see here, this is the same laser that I use for smart lipo, where we melt excessive fat. Now, using the triplex laser, it's called triplex because it does have 3 wavelengths. I use the specific wavelength that we use for skin tightening. And what I do is, after I prep the underarms, I inject the area with numbing solution, make it a little stab wound, just enough to allow this tiny fiber to go in, and then go underneath the skin. And what I'm basically doing is destroying the glands that cause the sweating. And we're not going to destroy every single gland because, after all, sweating on the underarms or from the underarms is normal, and it's a good way of cooling off, especially after excessive strenuous activity or heat, which helps us cool down. But what we're doing is we're treating some of the sweat glands, and by treating those, we reduce the amount of sweating. Now, usually people first several weeks don't sweat at all, but then normally you get a resumption of the sweat glands working again, but they don't work as much as before. So what this is now is using the triplex laser, using this little fiber right here underneath the skin, and we're heating up the dermis underneath it, and we're basically traumatizing the glands. And this is a good way of permanently, or at least for the very long term, treating the medical condition called axillary hyperhidrosis, or as everyone calls it, excessive sweating. Okay? Well, hope to see you soon, and I'll be coming up with more videos. I promise you that. Thank you.